Hey, I'm your journal modeling coach. The part of your thesis that breaks everyone is the data analysis. You hunt for a method. The code throws red everywhere. The charts look awful. These days I hand it to Manus. What used to cost me a month, it runs in 2 hours. First, let me walk you through the old way, the painful one. Step 1 already breaks you. Just picking a method can cost you a week. Once you finally choose, installing SPSS and Stata eats half your day. You run the code, the screen floods red, and you can't tell what's wrong. You tweak the parameters till sunrise, and it's still off. Honestly, the one chart you managed to make is too ugly for a thesis. Want a clean 3-line table? You're typing it in cell by cell. And the killer, change one variable, and you rerun the whole thing. Real talk, it's all groundwork, and none of it is actual research. Now, let me walk you through how I actually run it with Manus. The whole pipeline is just 4 steps. Let me break it down. Step 1 is dead simple. You handed 3 things. Which 3? Your raw data, your research question, and your hypotheses. However messy the data is, just drop the Excel or CSV in as is. Step 2. It cleans on its own, fills missing values, flags the outliers. Need a log term or an interaction? It builds those variables for you. Then it reads your question and hypothesis and picks the model spec. And here's the key. It runs the steps in order, never skipping one. Descriptives first, then the correlation matrix, laying the groundwork. Baseline regression done, mediation and moderation follow right after. Last comes robustness. Swap a measure, split the sample, it covers your back. Step 3, hands you figures and tables. Step 4, a first draft of the write-up. But there's one hard rule I have to make clear first. Trust me, Manus saves you the labor. It can't do your thinking. What your variables actually measure and how, that's on you to know. How the sample was drawn, what you dropped, what's left. You own that. Is that significant a real effect or just this sample? You have to read it. Whether its model spec fits your question, that's your call to make. Hand it in without looking, and I'll be blunt, it bounces right back. The right move, it runs, you review, you sign off on the final. Bottom line, it pulls you out of the groundwork, it doesn't do your research. Quick recap, drop the data, it runs. Out come the figures and tables, then a draft. The repetitive groundwork, hand it over with confidence. Save your brain for interpretation and original thinking, the stuff that pays off. And just like that, the part of your thesis that always stalls gets way lighter. Want to try Manus? There's a discount link in my bio. Go check it out. I'm your journal modeling coach. Catch you in the next one.